What's going on, Excel users of the internet? You want to know how to put equations into your Excel spreadsheets? You want to make stuff look like this? Well, you've come to the not wrong place. I'm going to show you how to put equations into your Excel spreadsheets. And all this starts right now. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to open up a blank spreadsheet. What you want to do is go up to the old Topperoonie here on the insert. Click on the insert button and you're going to see it pop up over here in the far right. You're going to have an equations button. If you click that little arrow down, you can see now we have equation. Go to the other drop down and it'll give you a list of common equations or super long equations that you don't want to really take the time to put in by yourself. So you can either click on one of these. I'll go ahead and click that. And there you go. We got an equation. All right, so what if your equation is not listed into those standard equations? Well, what you do is you still go to the Insert tab. You go to your symbols, but instead of clicking on this little drop down, go ahead and click on the equation button. And you're going to have a little window pop up here. That's going to say type equation here. So highlight it and you're going to see up at the top all your common symbols that are used in most equations that you're going to have to put in. And then on to the right, you're going to have common formats for equations. So if you need to put a fraction, exponents, radicals, integrals, blah, 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 then you just click on one of those. But for this one, we are going to recreate this area equation. We have capital A. We can go ahead and just put an A in there using our keyboard. And we know that equals pi. Now we got to find pi. So what we do is we go up here to our little box and we scroll down and there it is, pi. So we got pi r squared. Well, we got an exponent. So we go up here to our script. Right here is our exponent box or superscript. Click on that, and now we have two little boxes that have nothing in them. So what do? Well, what we got to do is we got to put stuff in there. So if you click on the box, it's going to highlight it. And when it's highlighted, then you know that that is where you're going to put your information. So once we have that highlighted, we can just go ahead and hit our R since we have no little special characters that we need to put in there. And as far as our squared, if we click on the little box above it, we know we highlight it and we type our 2, and there we go. We have our brand new equation that matches the other one. So let's say you want to do a fraction. So we're going to do insert symbols equation. Let's do the equation for stress. So we're going to highlight our box. Once it's highlighted, we know that's what we're going to be editing. We know stress is sigma. So sigma equals, now stress is fraction. So we need to use this little fraction box. So we'll click on it and stress is force over area. So we're going to go F for force. Click on our bottom box. It's highlighted. Hit A. And there we go. We have our equation. So using these techniques, you can make these equation sheets look super duper cool and impressive to your friends so that you can look smart. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe. But I'll see you on the next one. Bye.